got a 40 in my left hand, 20s in my waistband, 10s in my arms, can't see them through the Ray-Ban. Spit hot bars like they just got a spray tan. Won a few titles, now they screaming like a fake fan. Kobe, when I step on the court, cause I'm walking with the Rockefellers, Jobs and Fords, and I'm rocking so hard like the canyon floor. Catch me copping stock options that I can't afford. I hook 'em with the hook, no bait and tackle. Holy mackerel, please pass the bowl of cereal. My stereo is slapping, using logic like it's math. I'm so iconic, do the math, I'm moving fast, get out my path, or you're gonna catch my polyrath. Sometimes eating cauliflower while I fuck her in the shower. Only moves I make her power in her box like Timmy Howard. You a coward, I'm empowered, high on flowers like a tower. 7 hours till I plow her and she give me heady bower. Whoa, flexing on him because I don't need a sample pack. I run it like a quarterback, so tell him Aaron Rodgers that I never got to pet a capybara or a ferret. So I'm staring at a parrot, maybe I can feed him carrots. I'm American, but I ain't got no guns in my arms. But you know my bar so hot they set up fire alarms. I'm money big like farm, get that chicken parm. Hit you with the flip so hard you best get on my trampoline park. Yo, need a library card, I got a guy for that. She says she wanna fly to outer space, but I'm too high for that. Let's be friends until 4 a.m. Said she loved me, but I'll probably never see her again. I got rhymes like a roller coaster. Wake up early in the morning, throw a waffle in the toaster. I'm not one to boast about it, but you know I'm bad at it. And I would never touch the powder. I'm setting fire to flowers, the world is ours, hypothetically. Theoretically, I'm Gucci. No ceilings like I'm 09 Lil Tucci. Don't be shocked when I knock some blocks. I'm throwing everything I got like the quick brown fox. I'm jumping over these owls. Can you hear them barking? Cause I knock it out the park like I'm Barry Larkin. But I'm barely starting. Call me LeBron James Harden. Excuse my Dolly Parton, but get the fuck out my garden. A little psychedelic LSD is how you spell it. If you coming into hot dog, no, I got the relish and I don't want to embellish, but I know I'm the best. US 7-2 offsuit, take me in a bet. Couple grams of the kratom in the lab, splitting atoms in the left lane, always passing. Know my stats, I never pat 'em, and I'm gassing up the homies, popping perks in the shonies. Y'all a bunch of jabronis, Mac, check 'em at the door. Okay, wait, there we were, fucking in the front seat of the car. She said it's only midnight, let's grab a drink at the bar. I said, but you're 18 and that fake is too fake to make it inside, so let's call it a night. Said, okay, well, let's go back to your place. I said, you're not meeting my girlfriend on the first date. What about your parents? Would they be chill with me giving their daughter a reason to use the pill? She said, you have a girlfriend, are you for real? I mean, I put it in my bio, thought that you knew the deal. I know I get a little wild, but I never conceal, and we can call it off right now if that just doesn't appeal. She said, what the fuck, I never read your bio. I just swiped right when I saw your smile. You can drop me off, just go up here and take a right. And so we ended it right there, and then we said our goodbyes. That doo-wop, doo-wop, doo-wop.